Okay, Oak Rovers, this is going to be a video to help you set up a proportion and solve problems that are percent increase problems. Hopefully you've already watched my video on how to set up a proportion to solve percent decrease problems. The problems we're going to be doing today are basically the exact same thing, but instead of having my percent decrease, today my percent is going to increase. Now where would you see problems that are percent increase problems? Taxes and tips, in both cases, you pay more than 100% of the bill. It's something you pay on top of 100%. So you actually pay more than what the bill comes to. If you go to a restaurant, for instance, and you want to leave a tip, and the price is $25 for your meal, you're going to have to pay more than $25 when you include your tip. Other examples of this are if I have a growth in population or a growth in salary. Let's see how it works with an actual problem. If Jenny's meal is $34.50 and she wanted to leave a 20% tip, how much would she pay altogether? Now, just like before, my double number line has percents on the bottom, and I go from 0% to 100%, and since it's a percent increase problem, I want to leave more than 100%, or I have to pay more than my actual bill. Since this is my actual price of the bill, $34.50, I'm going to put that as my regular or original amount. Now, I'm leaving a 20% tip, so since that's more than 100%, I'm going to put the 20% right there. And then, what's 20% more than 100%? It's going to be 120%. So, when I have percent increase problems, I'm going to add the percent onto 100, and I'm going to get 120%. When I had percent decrease problems, I subtracted the percent of discount from 100, and I had a number that was less than 100%. I'm going to cross multiply this, and this is where my unknown is for this problem, my x. And this is going to stand for the price after the tip of 20% is left. So let's cross multiply and solve this one. If I take 100 times x, that's equal to 3450 times 120. I multiply both sides out, 100x and 3450 times 120. And I get x is equal to 4,140. To solve that proportion for x, or this problem for x, I have to divide both sides of the equation by 100. 100x divided by 100 is just going to be x. 4,140 divided by 100 will be $41.40. So if you want to leave a tip of 20% and your bill is $34.50, you should leave $41.40. Hopefully this helps.